Infolin. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 Presentation Part for the year May June 2023. Now come on the presentation part. Here is the presentation part. Task 4 presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slide must have a consistent layout and formatting. Open a presentation of 6 slides using the file vcworld.rtf. Now first we open a PowerPoint. Click on blank presentation. Here is the option new slides. Slides from outline. Now go in our work area. Here is our work area and find VC World. Here is the VC World. Click insert and delete the blank page. Unless other view instructed, the slides must display a title and bulleted list. The all slides were displayed with the title and bulleted list. Now come on step 23. Place in the header automated slide number left aligned. Place in the footer your name, center number and candidate number left aligned. Now first we do a click on view master slide. Remove the footer and then click on insert and use the text box. Here we use the text box for automated slide number in the left line. Click on insert slide numbers. Then one text box for name, center number and candidate number in the left aligned in the bottom. Now we enter our name, then we enter our center number, then we enter our candidate number. Make sure that the header and footer appear in the same position on every slide. No in items overloop on any slide. And now we close the master slide and look here we display all is on all slide page number and our candidate details. Now come on step 28, 24. Use the data in the file apps.csv to create a vertical bar chart to value the number of downloads for each apps. The chart must display only the app title and downloads millions through the label the app title and on the category axis. Do not display a legend. Now we open a file. Here is our work area. Find here apps. Here is the apps file. Enter. Then we adjust this and also adjust this. Chart must display only the app title and downloads. Now we select a app titles and downloads. Click on insert. Here is a vertical bar chart. Now come on step 25. Label the chart as follows. Chart title: Fit Top Fitness App Downloads 2022. Now we enter in the title area. Enter here. Value access title should be million. Here is value access title. Do a million. Display only the data value along the top of each bar. Now we now we do a data labels for visible the table data on the top. Format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0, a maximum value of 15, a increments of 3. Now we do a right click on this format axis, minimum up to 0, maximum up to 15. Maximum will do up to 15 and major up to 3. Then we apply. Place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title Vertical Cycle Trends. Now we do on right click on chart, copy and come on PowerPoint. Virtual cycle trends. Virtual cycling trends is in the left. Now we adjust this. Do is in the left side and enter here. Now we adjust this chart in this area. Make sure that no words in the chart are split. All the data and labels are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overlap any slide items. Now check these information. No any chart detail are split and no any slides data will overloop. Now come on step 29. On the slide with the title Virtual Cycle Trends, create a square shape action button and position this in the top right corner. Now we create a square box Here, click on Insert, Shape, Shape. Here is the shape and draw in the right area. Square shape, column. Then we click on Insert and here is Action option. S- Click on this, hyperlink to, find other file, go in your work area. Then you format the action button so that when clicked it open the document with the file name trends.rtf. Now we go to find trend.rtf file. Here is trend.rtf file. Okay, enter the text top fitness trend as text on the action button. Then we give OK and right click, edit text, top fitness trends. Enter this text in this box. This become a hyperlink of the trends file. Click on it. Here we able to see this file. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the action button linked to the correct document. Now we show the screenshot. Then first we take a screenshot to show as evidence. Then give OK and go in the evidence file. Here is the evidence file. This is our step 29 evidence. Paste here. Now come on step 30, set the slideshow so it's loop consistently on a screen. Now go in presentation, slideshow. Here is setup slideshow. Right click, loop consistently unit. Select this. Then place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the presentation set displayed in a continuously on a screen loop. Now we take a screenshot to show this as an evidence. After take this screenshot, give OK. Go in the evidence file. This is our step 30 evidence. Place here. Now come on step 31. Save the presentation. Print all the slides as a handout in portrait orientation with 3 slides to the page. Print the slide with the title vertical cycling trend as a full page slide in landscape or orientation. Now go in presentation. First we save this presentation. Click on save. Go to file. Click on file. Click on file. Go to print. We select 3 pages in three slides are shown in one page, and we do a examination rule. In the header and footer, we enter our candidate detail, name, send a number, then we enter our candidate number. After this, apply to all. Now we print it.